highlighters! You know the drill, hindi tayo nagpapawali sa chismis. Kaya it's another time to unbox the new Jollibee Kids Meal. Yay! By the way, it's Leo here. Hello, highlighters! Hey! Yan. And this time around, we're going to review the following toys, the Jolly Kids Little Achievers. Okay. And there are a total of 5 toys to collect from this set. Yay! So excited. Yan. So yung mga pangarap natin na kung ano yung gusto natin maging paglaki natin, ito yon. So ma-unleash natin yung nostalgia in every toys. Yan. Since there are Superstar Twirly, like Engineer Yum, yan, sino mga engineer, Jolly Chef, yan, like me, HRM, and actually pangarap ko yung culinary dati, since mahal yung tuition fee, kaya nag-HRM ako, yan. And here's Dr. Hetty, yung mga doktor, hello, and of course, the astronomer, Popo. Okay, so tara, let's start muna with Popo. The Jolly Kids Little Achievers Astronomer Popo. Yan, okay. So here's the closer look of the packaging. Yan, it comes with this. I think this is a telescope, right? Yan. Then here's the instructions. First, open the monoscope. Oh, sorry, it's a monoscope, not a telescope. And keep one selected lens at a time. Turn on the switch at the back of the board to light up. Uy, nice. There's a light gimmick. Diba? Then view the lit up image using the monoscope. Okay, to reveal a pattern and switch among the interchangeable lenses to see the other patterns. Okay, so excited to unbox this one and review. Okay, so let's go. And for sure, mga kids at heart na naman, matutuwa na naman dito. Like me, diba? Another Budol finds, another addition to our Jollibee toy collections, diba? Okay. So it comes with the stickers, yan. Nice, oh. And medyo nalukot lang siya. And the letter P, which stands for Popo. And here's the base, I think. Ayan, yan. And you need to pull the tab. Yan, para if ever, umilaw yung pinaka-board niya. Yan. So, okay. Remove na natin. And, yan, may on and off switch here. Yun, nakita niyo yung ilaw, diba? So, yan na siya. Off muna natin. Then, the stand. Okay. And lastly, of course, the monoscope. Ayan. So, the technique here, unahin nyo muna yung pinaka 3 holes. Yan na, sumenter dun sa sticker. Para if ever hindi siya tabingi. Okay, then, stretch out the sticker. Yan. Actually, mas maganda nga sana kung printed siya, no? Kasi, pagka sticker, ang problem here, kapag nabasa, wala na, diba? So, yan. Okay, yay! Then, let's get the stand. Yan. So, we're done building Popo. Yan, yung backdrop. Then, okay. So, there's a light here. Yan, yun, nice. The color green, red, and yellow. Di ba? Parang traffic light lang. Then, ito, yung monoscope. So, the gimmick here is that, yan, you need to change yung pinaka-lens niya. Tama yung lens. Okay? Yan, open natin ito. I'm not pretty sure kung ilan, pero I think 2 lang siya. Okay? Wait. Yan, yun. So, we need to choose from the 2 different lenses. Okay, so may parang maliliit na bilog siya. And then, here's the bigger circle. Yan. So, let's choose muna the smaller one. Okay, then attach it here. Then, here, yon. Okay. Then, the fun part. So, you'll use your monoscope to view the stars. Yan. Stars to, no? Tama? Yan. Okay. Yan. And okay, for this one naman, like the Big Dipper, Cassiopeia, and the Cygnus, are the constellations yan, di ba? So, yan siya. Big Dipper para siyang, anong man tawag dito? Tabo, di ba? Or I'm not sure. Kindly comment down below if you know. Cygnus, para siyang, ano ba to? And yan. Okay. I'm not pretty sure yan. And the gimmick yan, again, you need to look here. Yun. Sana makikita sa camera. And yan. Okay. Yan. Wait. Idikit natin sa camera. So, ito yung actual, right? Diba? Then, if you will use the monoscope, yan. So, yung pinaka-circle niya or stars or the constellations, mag-iiba yung yan, mag-iiba yung ano niya. Diba? Yung shape or I mean like, yan, wait. O, diba? Ayun, ayun. Para siyang, ayun, nakita nyo? May blue, green, may green, may red, yellow, and green na maliliit. Yan, kung nakikita nyo, yun, not the light mismo, yung paligid, yun, nakita nyo, para siya nagre-rainbow. Which is nice, diba? Yan. So, yun yung makita nyo from your naked eye. Then, let's replace this one with another lens. Okay. So, clear lens lang siya. And, yan. The second one, uy, ito, mas visible siya. Oh, yan. Kita nyo na. So, the lights, yan. O, diba, para siyang firecrackers. Nice. Cool, right? Diba? So, mas maganda yung difference nito. Yan, pag ito yung ginamit nyo na lens, compared dito sa smaller circle, na parang wala lang rin siya, di ba? Nakikita niyo yung parang glare sa outside ng light, but here, yung pinaka-mismong light niya, yung nag-iiba. Nice, right? Eee! Okay. Di ba? So, yun po siya. So, ito yung POV ng mga mag-check ng sky or mga astronomers. Nice, diba? So, nakikita mo si Popo and the constellations. Oh, this is nice. This is a nice story, diba? So, one down. Again, here's astronomer Popo. Okay? Don't forget to turn off the lights. Baka mapundi agad. And for this time around naman, siguro hulihin natin si Jolly Ship since that's my course. Yun agad nga nasabi ko earlier that one of my first or top choice is culinary. Pero since mahal, so nag-HRM na lang ako or Hotel and Restaurant Management. Yun. So wag niyo nang tanongin kung kailan ako graduate. Yan. And actually, itong course na to is my second option and being a doctor. Yan. So here's the instructions. Insert the film. Yan. Into the slot at the back of the toy. Then press the button to activate the light. Nice, di ba? May gimmick na naman ng mga lights. And then the screen will light up to show X-ray image. And then play. Diba? This is a nice toy. Diba? We could pretend playing to be a doctor, astronomer, and then the like. So, yan. So, here's the sample of the X-ray. Yan. Okay. So, there's I think this is a knee. Diba? So, nakikita natin yung mga, ano niya, yan. Yung parang buto. Then, ito yung chest part. Then, the crotch, the hips. Yan. The feet. The face. And the hands. Yan. Okay. So, yan. Then, here's the camera. Then, meron ulit na need natin tanggalin. Yan, para ma-activate yung lights. Yan. Oh, nice. Nagla-lights. Then, wait. I'll just get... Asan yung packaging? Hello? Ayun, nilipad. Okay. Then, we need to, siyempre, stick first. Happy! Okay, wait. Ay, shit. Oh, napunit. Yan. So, be careful with your stickers. Ang bilis niya mapunit. So, yan. Done placing the sticker sa camera. And medyo na-OC ako here. Medyo napunit. You know. So, medyo visible siya pagkakitang-kita. I mean, nilapitan mo. But, okay lang. Since our fault, so bilhin na natin another one for our collection. Anyway, ganyan talaga. So, ano to? Okay. So, meron siyang heart shape here. Then, here's the, what they call this one? Yung ganon. Kalimutan ko na yung tawag doon. Yung line. Yan, anyway. Okay, so sa back part, okay. So, face muna. So, lagay natin yung face, then, okay. Oh, nice. Yan. So, ano to? Okay. So, the light, yan, actually, it will help lang na makita mo yung loob. But by just, what do you call this one? Yung tilting the camera, nakikita nyo na yung like this one, yung face naki-change to skull. Yan, mas clear yung picture nung skull sa face, diba? Yan, by tilting lang. So, there's no need with this like light. So, wala naman din siya. And ito nga actually walang purpose yung button dito. Diba? So, wala lang. Parang like pretend to play lang. So, yan siya. Okay. So, let's get another one. So, we're done with the face. So, next one here. Then, don't forget to. Yan. Okay. So, ilaw para mas maliwanag. And yan. Diba? So, mas nagiging visible yung hips na bones. Yan. Next up, the foot. Yan. Okay. Yan. So, nice. Mas nagiging visible talaga yung bones niya. Sorry I could not tell some information about the bones, yan. Since I'm not a doctor kasi. So, yan. So, hindi ko alam yung mga names ng bones na yan. So, if you know that, highlighters, good for you. And, if ever, just kindly comment down below lang kung ano mga tawag din sa mga bones na yan. And again, lights, yan. Para makatulong lang. Yan. So, medyo, for me, medyo simple lang itong laruan na to. But it's kind of neat looking, diba? So we're done with the chest. The next up, the hand. Yan. The hand. Okay. So, okay. And last but not the least would be the knee. Mas mas naging visible sa yung yan, di ba? Ayan, so mas kita nyo pag, yan, like this one, flesh lang talaga, ito yung bones. Di ba? Okay. So, tilt niya, up and down. Okay. So, that's it. Then, after you've done playing with these toys, yan, you could, stack all the cards and put it inside para hindi mawala. Like this one. Kasi masyadong malaki naman yung area sa likod. O, diba? Yan. Okay. So, check natin kung magsasara. Nagsara naman, but medyo masikip. But, it's okay, diba? At least hindi siya mawawala. Diba? So, once again, here's the second toy, Dr. Hetty. Hihi. Next up, Superstar Twirly. Yan. So, yung mga pangarap mag-artista. Yan. So, place your selected pattern disc in the base and insert Twirly to look the disc in place. Then, spin it manually to watch Twirly dance. Nice. Then, watch it spin and see an optical illusion. Prior to use, expose the disc under the bright light for at least 60 seconds to watch it glow in the dark while spinning. Oh, nice. Glow in the dark po yung stickers. And, maganda here, we got some UV light. Yan. Para at least mas makita natin yung glow in the dark. Yan. So, we're going to turn off our lights now. After, or later, I mean. So, syempre, i-open muna natin. And ipakita natin what's inside this packaging. Yay! Okay. Yan. So, it comes with another stickers na naman. Siyempre, si Twirly! Yan. So, cute nyo. Baligtaran. So, siyempre, let's stick muna Twirly again para mas maganda siyang tignan. Oh, okay. So, the gimmick here, yan, or the technique sa pag-place ng stickers, that unahin nyo muna yung bottom part before sa taas. Like this one, medyo tabingi siya. Yan, medyo nausi ako, but it's okay, diba? Again, if pumalpak sa pag-attach ng stickers, then let's buy another one. Diba? Yan, okay. So, syempre, don't forget to clean your table. Yan, then, yan, we could choose from this one. So, glow in the dark to. Nice. Okay, so, there are a total of 1, 2, 3, and 4 patterns. Yan. So, sa first one, so may mga stars, then circles, then abstract designs. Yan. Okay. So, let's first choose this one. Yan. So, lalagay lang natin siya here. Then, put Twirly on top. So, it's basically, it's a spinner. Diba? Yan. Okay. Yan. Ayan. Mas nice siya. Okay. Okay. So, next one. Later na natin yung may ilaw, para makita lang natin lahat ng pagka umiikot siya. Nice, right? Yan. So, here's the top view. Uy, na-miss ko tuloy yung mga 90s na toys. Actually, meron silang nilabas na Jollibee Kids Meal dati na iba-iba siyang spinners. Yung iba parang may propeller. Tapos, sa Lapopo Jollibee rin yun. Ang nice no. That's one of my favorite toys sa mga early 2000 na ano. Yan. Then, next one. To nice. So, ito, I think this is one of my favorite na design. Diba? Mas maganda siya. Okay? And last but not the least, the stars. Diba? Diba? Naging superstar talaga. So, parang ang point kasi dito, nagda-dance si Twirly. Okay? So, yun siya. Last one. Oops! Wait, nawala sa center. So, wait, another one. Yun. Okay, medyo ano pa, another one. Yan. Nice, right? Diba? So, for this time around, let's close the lights naman. So, nice, right? So, ito yung UV light. Pakita lang natin. And pag UV light kasing gamit, mas matingkad yung pagka glow in the dark niya. Pero if ever na wala kang UV light, you could use itapat nyo lang siya sa ilaw. Yan. Siyempre nakalagay dun, diba, instructions is 60 seconds. Nice. Then, ikot natin. 1, 2, 3. Oh, cool. Nice. So, let's replace with another pattern. Pero pag UV light kasi, you don't need to prolong yung paglalight. Yan. Di ba? Mas nice. Mas talagang visible yung pagka-glow niya. 1, 2, 3. Oh, cool. Then, next 3. Yan. So, inulit natin ulit. And para makita nyo talaga yung difference ng may ilaw sa wala. And, oh, di ba? Mas matingkad siya. So, here's the circle na. Hindi ko pala napakita. Cool. And last but not the least, sorry, inaalis ko sa camera, hindi ko kasi makita ang dilim right now. Yan, itong mga yung abstract pattern. Diba? Nice. Last but not least, here we go. Oops, nawala sa center. Cool. cool, right? Nice to. Nice yung toys yan. I'll just turn on the lights. And that's it with these toys. I mean with, ano nga bang tawag dito? Popstar Twirly. Diba? So far, alam niyo na. Alam niyo na. Saan tayo nag-enjoy? So, among all three agad, yan, Hetty, Dr. Hetty, Astronomer Popo. Actually, ang cool ng mga gimmick niya, di ba? And si Popstar Twirly, no? Ito hindi lang siya top or spinner. So, nag-glow in the dark pa, di ba? So, yeah. So, among the three, ito na yung isang favorite ko. So, once again, here's Popstar Twirly. And by the way, ayan, you could get this UV light naman, yan, sa Shopee. Yan. If ever, I'll try to include the link here sa YouTube. Yan, para you could order this one. Para hindi kayo mahirapan na pagtapat sa ilaw. Sa buong billion niyo pa itatapat to. Oh, Jollibee, na-miss ko tuloy yung mga glow in the dark, yung yung mga shapes and dinidikit sa walls. Grabe. Alam po, early 2000 or 90s pa yun. Oh, grabe. We're down with the last two. Yan, so, wait, nagulo tuloy yung camera. So, let's start unboxing the next toy. Wait lang, parang may nalaglag kanina na na tawag dito. Sorry parang meron kasing na-open kasi yung niya, lagayan. But, let's check. So, here's the next one. Wait, alisin ko muna yung, yun na nga. Here's Engineer Yum. Yan. Okay. So, paano siya naging Engineer Yum? Wait, let's set this aside muna. Okay. So, first, pick a card, then place it on the deck. Then, place gears and screws in the open slot. Only screws can be secured using the drill. Then, press the drill switch to rotate the gears and watch them spin. Oh, nice. So, here's a drill, diba? So, it comes with a sticker, Yum. So, saan natin ididikit yung sticker? Siyempre, wait, I'll check. Oh, here. Sayang walang picture ni Yum. Or baka nasa card, diba? Wait, ang gulo ng camera right now, sorry. So, yan. Dito siya ilalagay. Sabab. Bang, bang, bang. Naglaro ang bata. Yan, ang feeling bata, I mean. Yan. Then, ito yung, nice. Ito pala yung mukha ni, I mean yung mascot ni Yum. So cool. This reminds me yung city builder na toys nila. Yung bibinubuo sila. Then, isang building siya na mataas. Nice yun. Diba? Actually, there's a lot of cool toys from the early 2000 talaga yan. So, nasa bulldozer si Yum. So, cement mixer. Then, it's a truck. Or, ano to? Not sure. What is this? Then, submarine. And a car. Or a van. Yan. So, for this one, yan, it comes with these screws. Yan. So, nakikita nyo ba? Wait, hindi pa nakikita. Yan, okay. So, here's the, what do you call this one? Wait, I'll just check. Nasaan na yun? So, deck. Yan, sa deck. Here's the deck. Then, choose one. Yan, isa-isay na natin lahat. Yan. So, wait, ibaba na lang natin here. So, you could, build your creativity or your imagination or pretend to be an engineer for a while. So, yan. Lagay natin dito. Then, so, siguro dito, yan, dilaw. Here. So, here, yan. So, yan. Para mag-ano siya. Hindi ba nice? Gaganin siya. Then, for the tires. Yan. Yan. Cool, diba? Then, another one. Color blue naman. Yan. Oh, cool. Uy. Medyo mahigpit. Wait, yan. Yan. So, pag maigpit, wag niyong pilitin kasi baka masira. Yan. Cool. This is nice, ha? Pero I think this is better kung talagang, ano siya, tawag dito, yung may bubuuin talaga kayo. Or maganda, diba, nostalgic talaga to. Since, yan, pagkatanggalin nyo, you need to pull lang the screws. Yan. And drill lang ang may kasama niya. Actually, itong part na to medyo mahigpit. Yan. So, let's try then another one. Submarine naman. Sige. Yan. So, sige. While na ako nagkikwento here, yan. Diba? Build natin. Diba? So, yan. Ang maganda kasi doon sa dating part, ito mukhang cool to. Oh, nice. So, di ba? So, na lahat ganito. Isa pa. Lagyan natin dito. Kita nyo gumagalaw yung gears. Then, here naman dito. Yan. Diba? Cool. And last but not the least, the screw. Yan. Actually, it's a pretend to play lang rin talaga. Kasi, hindi naman talaga na-i-screw yung pinaka bolts. I mean, what do you call this one? Nails? I mean, screws. Yan. Talagang actually pwede nyo like, parang ano lang nga. Ayan, no? Wala naman kasi siyang, what do you call this one? Yung pinaka-hiwa-hiwa here. Para like, umikot or maghigpit siya dito. So, yan. So, it's a pretend to play talaga. So, yan. Anyway, hope you get it. Yan. So, marami pa. Yan. Diba? So, yan. That's it. Once again, here's Engineer Yum. Pinaka-na-excite ako. And actually, nag-ready ako ng ice cold water for this one. Kaya nagbasa yung table. Natunaw na yung ice. So, here's Jolly Chef. Yan. So, here's the closer look ng packaging. So, open lid at the back and put 20 ml. So, 20 ml is about 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon kasi is 15 ml. So, 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon siya. Yan. Sa madaling salita. Or like, 1 tablespoon and almost 1/4 or 1/3 ng 1 tablespoon. Yung, para sakto, of cold water below 5 degrees Celsius. I think this is 5 degrees Celsius. Hopefully, sobrang lamig na nito. May, natunaw na yung yellow here, o, diba? Then, turn the knob rightwards. Then, water will slowly come out in the griddle. Then, put your favorite food and flip it using a spatula. It will change color upon contact with the cold water. Then, make sure to empty the water tray by draining every after use. Yay! Oh, nice! Yan. Oops! Okay, so it comes with stickers again. Siyempre, ito yung, kasi para siyang stove, diba? Yan. So, you need to stick first the stick. So, ang concern ko lang here is that walang picture ni Jollibee. Why naman ganon? Kasi syempre, di ba, kay Jollibee to eh. So, sana hopefully hindi siya Jolly's Kitchen lang. Jollibee stove na lang nilagay nila. Di ba? Kasi nakalagay here, dun sa packaging is Jolly Chef plus Jolly Kitchen. Ano ba talaga? Anyway, yan. So, next is that you need to fill up this back part ng cold water. So, it's a messy one. And yung knob, actually, it's ano lang naman. Parang pretend to play. Hindi naman siya bumaba taas. So, parang wala lang rin yung knob. So, pag sumobra yung lagay nyo ng water, tutulo. Yan. Anyway, wait. I'll just get some tissue. So, another one. So, this reminds me nung car wash Flintstones na toy ng Jollibee dati. So, yan. And it comes with this, tawag dito, chicken, fries, and patty. And it comes with this spatula. So, lalagyan natin here. So, para siyang fryer. Diba? So, one at a time pwede. Then, let's turn the knob right na. Oh, nakita niyo yung water? Oops. Matatapon talaga yung water niya. Diba? So, ice cold siya. Then, flip the your choice. Yun. Okay. So, I think di na ganong kalamig yung water niya. Kaya, hindi siya lumalamig. Or, I mean, nag-change yung color. Wait, so, let's get some ice na lang muna. Yan, for a while. Diba? Nagkalat na tayo, nagbasa. So, better siguro, before playing this one, yan, get ready some towels muna. Then, yan. Okay, so let's remove. Actually, my concern here is that yung -5 kasi medyo mahirap i-achieve. Yan, ito may yellow siya. Mahirap actually i-achieve yung -5 kasi pag nagka-calibrate ako ng thermometer from my previous job and -0 lang siya. So, ice cold water na yun, na puro ice na yun. So, -5 is hard to reach. Diba? Or kindly comment down below, highlighters. Baka may idea kayo para ma-reach natin yung ganong temp. Yan, ito may yellow na. Sige, lagyan natin ng yellow. Oops. Yan. Anyway, pag dito nag-work, siguro let's pour some water here na. Or ice. Yan. Then, here's the spatula. O siguro one at a time. So, ito muna ng patty. Yan. So, right na, para mag-submerge siya sa water. Oops. Oops, kulang yung water niya. Oh, nakikita niyo yung water, tumatalsik siya. So, medyo mahirap tong laruin. Wait. I think that's enough. Let's see. Yun. Yan. So, para siyang fryer nga talaga. So, yung 20 ml, I'm not pretty sure kung 20 ml talaga is enough. Diba? And yun. Oh, yan. Oh, nakita nyo, nag-iba yung color niya. Diba? Medyo, medyo like, since walang aircon dito right now, so matagal siya yan. Medyo nag-iba yung color niya, right? Okay. Diba? So, let's replace this with fries. Diba? Hinawakan ko na. So, wear your gloves. Yan. So, hindi siya masyado nagko-color. So, dayain na natin na sorry. Lagyan ko ng yellow here. Yan na. Sorry yan. Hindi siya dapat ganito. But since, sabi ko nga sa inyo, mahirap i-achieve yung -5 para makita niyo yung color niya talaga na mag-iba. So, yan. Okay, so let's wait for like ilang seconds. Yun, nagda-dark yung niya, nag-golden brown yung fries. Diba? Sorry, nilagyan ko na lang yellow. Sige, let's remove yung yellow para makita nyo ulit. Yan. Diba? Nice. O yan, medyo nag-golden brown siya. Anyway, next up, the Chicken Joy. Ayun, kita agad nag-golden brown. Medyo siya. So, dapat nga tong to para mas nice, diba? Yan. Yan, hindi naman siya ganun ka-dark, but pagka mas colder yung water or nagamit nyo, mas maano siya. So, better nga, mas hindi lang siya 20 ml. Actually, lagpas na to sa 20 ml. Yan. Natin. And para siyang, sarap. Nakikipili ako ng Chicken Joy bigla. This is a nice toy, But, medyo yan. Pag nalagay nyo sa freezer to, actually, lalamig talaga to agad. Mag-iba yung color niya. Diba yan? Okay, so that's it. Hopefully, nakita nyo yung parang gimmick niya. So, yan. Wait, let's try lang ulit. Yan. Anyway. Yun. Oh, di ba? Ito yan. Nag-ibang-iba talaga yung kulay niya. Pero ang bilis niya mag-iba yung color. Then, golden brown. Wait, last. Yung Chicken Joy. Ayan. Ayan. Mas darker siya. Yan. So, that's it. Diba? Okay. So, that's how you play this toy. So, we're finally done playing the toys. Yan. So, some toys were challenging to play, diba? And some were fun, diba? So, syempre, before I end up this video, I'm going to ask you first which one is your favorite toy. Kindly comment down below, ah. And, syempre, kung sa akin naman, what's my favorite among the set? Or wait, before I answer that question, syempre, just a recap muna. Yan. So, better pala here. Wait lang, sorry. Yan. So, first one, again, that's another recap. Here's Dr. Hetty. Okay. Ang lagay. Wait, nagbasa na. So, next, syempre yung isa sa medyo messy na part, the Jolly Chef. Tama? Jolly Chef, no? Right? Wait, I'll just check again. Yeah, Jolly Chef. Kasi Jolly Kitchen here, eh. Then, next would be Astronomer Popo. Diba? And, of course, here's Engineer Yum. Okay. So, don't forget the nails. Wait. Yan. And of course, last but not the least would be Twirly Popstar. Yan, diba? Hey, nice, right? Yan. So, okay. So, sabi ko nga sa inyo, first one, ito, nireview natin. Second one, ito. And third one, ito. And sa among three, ito na yung favorite ko si Twirly. But if we compare or add the Yum, Engineer, and Jolly Chef, still, my favorite one is Twirly Popstar. Wait lang, medyo ano lang, no? Kung titignan nyo siya from the display, hindi siya ganun like enticing tignan, di ba? Appetizing tuloy. Enticing siya, tama. Yan. Pero like, in the gimmick itself, ito yung pinaka-nice gimmick among them all. For me, ha? For me. Siyempre, iba-iba tayong opinion. Yan. Diba? Since nagla-light siya, then ang nice ng mga pattern. And yun nga, sabi nga natin, like these toys, nakakapagbigay ng nostalgic, lalo na sa mga kids at heart dyan. At meron mga sets nung previous toys ng Jollibee. Yes. Diba? Like this one, mga telescopes, diba? Monoscope, then camera na umiilaw, or yung mga light, yung mga umilaw-ilaw na toys, diba? And ito actually medyo bago yung gimmick na to. Then ito yung Casper Scare Pair. O diba, alam ko pa, mga may ganitong iba-ibang screw. And then ito yung spinning tops ng Jollibee. Yan, okay. Diba? This is a nice set actually. It's fun, it's entertaining, it's exciting to play, diba? And syempre, if you're not familiar on how to operate these toys, ask your parents, your brothers, your siblings on how to play this one, or your other older friends, diba? Or just kindly read the instructions. Yeah, okay. Pero syempre, like me, a collector of Jollibee, I still like these toys. Kahit na medyo pambata siya, well, it's another great collection naman. Okay. So, yan. So, we're done again unboxing and reviewing the toys. Yay! So, that's all for now, highlighters. Hope you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and be one of the certified highlighters. See you on the next highlight. Bye!